please click the subscribe button to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button to never miss any updates on my channel Sweta's's Beauty Vanity. Hello my angels, what's up? Shweta here. Welcome back to my channel Sweta's's Beauty Vanity. Today's makeup look is for upcoming Eid, and it's Sonam Kapoor inspired look from the song Tareffan, which is from the movie With the Wedding. As it is just around the corner, I thought to share a look which is very easy to recreate yet glamorous and wearable at the same time. So here is my version of Sonam's look. I hope you guys will love it. If so, please hit the like button, share this easy peasy tutorial with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel and be my family member. So now without wasting much time, let's jump into the video. So as always, like my every makeup tutorial, I like to begin my makeup by moisturizing my skin, and for that I use this moisturizer from the brand Pureheals off camera. And then to prime my face, I'm using Poreless primer and applying it to all over my face, especially onto my cheek area. As I have some open pores over there, it helps to blur out the pores and make the base makeup application smooth, flawless and long lasting at the same time. As a foundation today, I'm gonna mix these two foundation, which is from the brand Faces Canada and Wet n Wild. As you guys know, I like to mix a foundation and make my own custom shade. The Faces foundation is tad bit darker than my skin tone, and the Wet n Wild one is a bit lighter now, as I have some sun tanning going on my face. So mixing up these two make a perfect shade for me. So now after applying the foundation on my face, I'm gonna blend the foundation with the flat foam foundation brush, or maybe it's a buffing brush, and then to smudge out the sticky lines on my face and make the blending process more flawless, I'm gonna blend over once again with my wet beauty sponge. As always, I'll be listing all the product details in the description box below, so if you guys are interested about any product, you guys can check it out from the description box below. Now to conceal and highlight my face, I'm applying my Maybelline Fit concealer under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, hollow of my cheekbone. Then again with my beauty sponge, I'm gonna blend the product in. Now to set everything in place and some extra coverage, I'm gonna apply the powder compactor from Loreal with a buffing brush and applying it all over my face and neck. Today I decided to bake my face for highlighting a bit further, as it's a special occasion makeup, and for that I'm using the Airspun loose powder and applying it under my eyes, side of my face, onto my forehead, and I'm gonna keep the powder like so for 8 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna dust off the excess. Now let's do the eye makeup. So here I'm gonna set the creamy base on my inner eyelid with the same loose powder. This is a necessary step before starting any kind of eye makeup. It helps to make the eyeshadow pop and long lasting, so don't skip it guys. As my first transition color, I'm gonna pick this pale pink eyeshadow from Aphrodite palette, and with a fluffy brush I'm gonna applying it onto my upper crease area like so. And now deepen up the outer part of the crease. I'm applying this deep pink color from same palette, and I'm gonna be applying it little by little to build up the coverage onto the outer part. For applying the shadow, I'm taking a smaller blending brush compared to the previous one to make the application more precise. Now for the purple part of this look, I'm applying this dark purple color from a Lakeme 925 Tanzore Rush palettes. It's a very old palette, but one of my favorite palette. I'm applying this color onto my eyelid, but leaving 1/3 of the eyelid empty, and I'm reapplying the color until I'm not getting the maximum coverage from this eyeshadow. Now with the same precision brush which is from ELF, I'm gonna smudge the harsh edges of the purple eyeshadow without any additional color with it and buffing out the harsh lines. After which with the deep pink shadow which I used in the outer crease area, I'm smudging the edges. This is how you can get a smooth transition between two colors. So blending and buffing is the main key element of any eye look. Okay guys? To intensify the purple color a little more, I'm reapplying the shadow once again. Then with the same fluffy blending brush with the first transition color, I'm gonna blend the crease area. Guys, if you feel at any point during the makeup that you need more blending and more coverage anywhere, there is nothing wrong to go back and fix it. Now onto the empty portion of my eye, I'm gonna be applying this rose gold color from the same Aphrodite palette, and I'm applying this eyeshadow with very tiny precision brush, and at the same time I'm gonna bring this color to the lower lash line slightly. Now it's time to dust off the excess loose powder from my face, and after dusting off the excess, it is advisable to run the foundation brush which you use to apply your foundation once again all over your face to make the base makeup even and blend it, which I did off camera. Next, I'm drawing a thin winged liner along with my upper lash line. As Sonam had in her look, I have two separate videos on eyeliner and different types of eyeliner. So if you're having a hard time to put eyeliner in a right way, then please find the links from the description box below, or you guys can check above in the cards. To fill up the white visible portion of my upper waterline, I'm tightlining the same with my NYX Fauxe Black eye pencil. Now for contouring part, I'm grabbing my Wet n Wild contour pan in the shade Dulce Deleche and applying it hollow up my cheekbone, under my jawline, below the hairline, little bit of my temple, and with my firmer angle brush I'm applying the same. Now to some extra warmth onto cheek and whole face, I'm grabbing this shimmer bronzer from Revlon and I'm applying the product with my Wet n Wild angle contour brush just above my contour. Now to highlight my brow bone, today I'm using the same shimmery rose gold color from Aphrodite palette under my brow bone, which I used in my inner corner of my eye. Now to contour my nose, I am using this same contour shade from Wet n Wild contour palette. As my blush, today I am using this blush from Ofra Cosmetics. Sonam had a very pink blush on her cheek, but I don't like that intense pink on my cheek honestly. So I am applying this peachy pinky blush on my cheek with the same Wet n Wild contour brush and having this right onto my apple on my cheek. Next, for highlighting my face, I am grabbing the City Color Cosmetics Glow Duo and applying the powder one everywhere I like to be highlighted on my face, like above my cheekbone, down the bridge of my nose, onto the cupid's bow and onto the chin with this fan brush. Next, come back to the eye makeup. Now onto the outer half of my lower lash line, I'm gonna be applying the same purple eyeshadow with the ELF smudging brush and smudging it out a bit, and then with another smudging brush I'm gonna be applying the rose gold color onto the inner half of my lower lash line, like so. It's time to add mascara, but beforehand you need to curl up your lashes. As a mascara, today I'm gonna be using the Fiber X mascara from Loreal, which is my recent lab, and I do recommend this product to all of you guys. It has two sides, a primer side and another one is the mascara side. You need to first put the primer on both lower and upper lashes, then you need to add the actual mascara. It gives both lengthening and volume to your lashes. As I'm not gonna put my falsie today, as my baby is crying behind and his dad is unable to stop him, so I need to wrap my shoot as soon as possible. So when you are on the go but you want to glam up your face with minimal makeup, it should be one of your must pick product in your whole makeup kit. Now the best part of this whole look is lip shade. As Sonam had a dark pink purple shade on her lips, so following that I'm applying this purple undertone pink shade from Sugar Cosmetics Smudge Me Not lipstick range, and it is in the shade Wine and Shine. If you don't have the shade, girls, please give it a try. It's the most talked about lip shade from this whole range. Now to finish up the whole look, I spray the makeup mist setting spray all over my face and make the whole makeup long lasting and dewy at the same time. So here you go, this is my final look, which can be worn in any occasion. The purple tone flatters any kind of skin tone, so without any hesitation we can wear it. And if you are recreating this look, please tag me on my Instagram and Facebook. The links will be there in my description box below. Girls, please follow me there. I am very active over there. So that's for the day, guys. I'll be back here soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy, healthy and beautiful. Bye bye.